Really, we literally need to cut it out. It's just what we need for our memorial. Oh, poor kitty. You'll be missed. I'm sure he lives on in our hearts. Oh, I told you to check for a pulse. We should take a deeper look inside. Well, hello from the other side. And Kitty's back.
Wow.
Kinda. Either way, happy birthday, Kitty. Not that you're any older. But we can still have a cake. We even have the perfect topping. An edible paper cat. And the best part, if you light it up, there might just be a special surprise underneath. And you get your cake nice and toasty. Aw, that baby's a real doll. I mean it. Let's take it for a stroll. Just hold on. Uh-oh. Quick, someone catch that baby. Save us, Ghost Kitty. Yes, toilet paper. It's always the answer. First, unravel it. Use a blow dryer to speed things up. We'll need it for a soft landing. And she's safe. Let's try this again. Hey, who put that cactus there? Don't worry, Ghost Kitty's got you covered. Now let's ditch this prickly plant and recycle old plastic into a row of teeth. Now you've got a soft seat. And with this, you'll always get a good look at things. So why don't we try things out? Oh no, Pomni! Watch out for that bike! Well, at least she's not a ghost too. How about we clean her up?
Wow!
Just add soap, water, and spin. She's looking a little flat. Let's add popcorn. Good. Now Pomni's looking a little stuffed. And now she's cute and crunchy. Ooh, hope she doesn't notice that spider. Kitty says we should take a closer look. Wow, are you starting a spider farm?
Oops.
Well, how about we clear them off? But if you like webs, we can make our own. And you know, maybe we can bring back a few spiders. Ah, nothing beats a good book. Uh-oh, your pants! Here, Kitty's got something for you. Use it to make a kitty thumbprint. Fill it up with glue. And add a clip.
Wow!
And you've got a squishy new friend. One who will hold your pants for you, too. And you've always got a dance buddy. Chips. And there's a surprise, too. That chip looks a little different. That's because it's made of coconut. Let's not waste it. Collect it in a cup. You know, coconut goes great with chocolate. Come on, you can't have too much chocolate. Make sure to roll it around the cup. Soon, it's a new treat that holds even more treats. And who would say no to a little whipped cream? And sprinkles. What you waiting for? Have a bite. Guess Kitty's checking out his old haunts. Uh-oh, your phone! Oh no! Hey, when'd you get out? Next time, make sure your toilet's covered. And we've got a pair of tights to spare. Just make a nice hole in the middle. Now we should test it out. Great success! Of course, there are some things we want to go down. Time to play with our new doll. Here, Kitty will hang up your wraps. And why don't we show your face to the world? Much better. And soon, you'll be feeling store-bought new with a nice wax job. Now let's peel it off. Careful, you missed a hair. Like a brand new doll. Now take some noodles, soften them up. And soon, Dolly will have new hair. Today's the big day. It's Kitty's birthday. You're gonna need a birthday cake. Just one suited to a more feline palate. Still, all the best cakes have sprinkles. And a birthday candle to blow out. Happy birthday! Make a wish, Kitty! Open your present. It's a Roblox doll. I think we need to clean her up. At least she'll smell minty fresh. We'll say it's that new peppermint perfume. Now let's turn her frown upside down. Some clothes and hair should help too. Now cover her legs with the glove. And tie up all those loose fingers. Pour on some glue, spread it out, and it's time for glitter. Keep it coming. Our little mermaid could use a dip in the pool. It's Kitty's favorite vowels. Oh no! At least we still got I, O, and U. But maybe we can fix them up. Now let the magic potty do its thing. Aw, they've never been closer. Keep them on the ground this time. Time for a guessing game. Pick one. Oh, you won a unicorn! A candy unicorn! Just feed it some melted chocolate. And soon, you get a few surprises. Cute little bite-sized pieces of candy. Oh, you got a fish! So grab an old Barbie bed. And with a few adjustments, it's a new tank. Of course, we can't forget the water. What else is our fish gonna swim in? And look, These fish come in a pair. Love is in the air. Water. Look, a sand ducky. Oh, now it's just sand. How would you like a marshmallow ducky instead? They go great in a cup of hot cocoa. Especially when it's all blue like this. Look at all the candy! You hit the jackpot! Oh no! Your lollipop! It's okay, we've got more. And this time, we'll be ready. Our new tiger friends got your back. And, more importantly, your candy. Next, it's your favorite, toothpicks. So, anyone up for a 52 pickup? But next time, let's keep them in here. Now, when you need a new toothpick, our new bird friend can pick it up for you. And you can go back to making stick houses. Wow, look at all those bubbles! But we're just getting things started. It's a bubble machine. Press play and watch it go. I think Kitty's a fan. And he's not the only one. Look who's here! It's Jimmy the pig! He doesn't look too good. Don't worry, we can fix him up. Oh, wait a minute. I see the problem. He's got a smaller pig inside him. Looks like he's got something inside him, too. It's a tiny gray mouse. The gifts just keep coming. Speaking of which, you got a new dumpling maker. Knead the dough, and don't forget your favorite filling. We can make as many as we want. And we can even try out a few new flavors. Yeah, he prefers sweet to savory. Just make sure you pick the right one. Now let's make Kitty a brand new friend. And I think he'll be a good influence. Unless, of course, Kitty gets to him first. Of course, Kitty can always make his own friends. Let the soap harden. Flip it over. And help our new friend put his face on. Aw, what a bright little guy. Look, you got a card. And it's got money. With all this cash, it'll be like your birthdays every day. After all, think of all the crafts we can do with them. Cut out a bunch of hearts and fold them all together. Make it into a circle, and it's a brand new toy. Fun like this is truly priceless. Look, Kitty, a cup with all your favorite letters. Not impressed? How about we take some foil? Add some clay. And add a few finishing touches. Look who's here, our old pal A. Aw, they're already best friends. Ooh, berries! Hey, don't play with your food. And keep your paws to yourself. Ugh, what a mess. Next time, just use the micro mixer. All you do is push a button. And there's no mess to worry about. Let's pour this mix into a bowl for our kitty cat friend to enjoy. Ooh, a balloon! Careful, your claws! Well, at least we still got the duck. Maybe we can still use the balloon. Drop a surprise inside, and a whole lot of water. Freeze it, and it'll survive any cat scratch fever. Of course, Kitty still wants the prize inside. I think there's time for one last present. It's a mini projector. Just put it together. Dim the lights, and Kitty's the star of the show.